Hey Ella, good morning.
Hey Sam, good morning. How are you today?
I'm good. A little sleepy to be honest. I woke up late.
I know that feeling. I woke up early today, but I stayed in bed for a long time.
Yeah, the bed is so comfortable.
Exactly, especially when your home feels nice and warm.
Oh, that's true. Home is very important.
Yes, home is such a big part of our life.
By the way, for people who don't know us,
Oh, yes, we should introduce ourselves.
hi everyone. My name is Sam. I'm from the USA.
And hi, I'm Ella. I'm also from the USA.
We are friends and we like to talk about simple, everyday topics.
Yes, and we talk slowly and clearly to help you learn English.
Today, we are talking about
Talking about your home in English.
a very common topic.
Yes, very common and very useful.
People often ask, where do you live?
Or, can you tell me about your home?
So today, we will talk about our homes.
And we will use very easy English,
And we will talk like real people.
not like robots.
Haha, yes, just two friends chatting.
Okay, Sam, I'll ask you first.
All right, go ahead.
Sam, where do you live?
I live in a small apartment.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's a small apartment in the city.
In the city?
Yes, in a busy area.
Wow, is it noisy?
Sometimes.
Yeah, I understand.
There are cars, buses, and people outside.
That sounds busy.
It is, but I like it.
Why do you like it?
I like being close to everything.
Like shops and cafes?
Exactly. Shops, cafes, restaurants.
That's convenient.
Yes, very convenient.
How big is your apartment?
It's not very big.
That's okay.
It has one bedroom, one bathroom, a small kitchen, and a living room.
That sounds cozy.
Yeah, cozy is a good word.
I like cozy homes.
Me too. Big homes are nice, but cozy homes feel warm.
I agree.
My living room is my favorite place
Oh, really? Why?
because I relax there.
What do you do there?
I sit on the couch, I watch TV.
Sounds nice.
Sometimes I read a book.
That's peaceful.
Yeah, after a long day, it feels good.
Do you live alone?
Yes, I live alone.
How do you feel about that?
Sometimes I like it.
And sometimes?
Sometimes it feels quiet.
Yeah, I understand.
But I call my friends and family.
That helps.
Yes, it does.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Yes, tell me about your home.
I live in a house.
A house? Nice.
Yes, a small house in a quiet area.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. It's very quiet.
Do you like quiet places?
Yes, I do.
I can see that.
I like to hear birds in the morning.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, I wake up and hear birds.
That sounds relaxing.
It really is.
How many rooms do you have?
Let me think.
Take your time.
Okay, I have 2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms.
Yes, one is my bedroom.
And the other one?
The other one is a guest room.
Oh, for friends and family?
Yes, exactly.
That's nice.
I also have a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom.
Do you have a yard?
Yes, a small yard.
Wow.
It's not big, but I love it.
What do you do in the yard?
I sit outside sometimes.
With a coffee?
Yes, with coffee.
Haha, perfect.
I also have some plants.
Plants are nice.
They make the home feel alive.
I agree. I don't have plants.
Really?
I forget to water them.
That's okay.
Maybe one day.
Start with one small plant.
Good advice.
So, Sam, how long have you lived in your apartment?
Let me think.
No rush.
About 3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
That's a long time.
Yeah, it feels like home now.
That's important.
What about you?
I've lived in my house for 5 years.
Wow, 5 years.
Yes,
You must love it.
I do. I feel safe there.
Feeling safe is very important.
Yes, very important.
Do you like decorating your home?
Oh, yes, I love it.
Really?
Yes, I like simple decorations.
Like what?
Pictures, soft lights, candles.
Candles are nice.
They make the home feel warm.
I agree. My apartment is very simple.
That's okay.
I have a couch, a table, and a TV.
Simple is good too.
I think so.
A home doesn't need to be fancy.
Yes, it just needs to feel good.
Exactly.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook a lot.
Nice.
I like cooking in my kitchen.
Is your kitchen big?
Not really.
But it works.
Yes, it works.
I cook sometimes.
What do you cook?
Simple food.
Like what?
Pasta, eggs, rice.
That sounds good.
Haha, it's easy.
Easy food is the best.
True.
Do you eat in your living room or kitchen?
Usually in the living room.
On the couch?
Yes.
I do that too sometimes.
It feels comfortable.
Yes, very comfortable.
What do you like most about your home?
Good question.
Take a moment.
I think I like the feeling.
The feeling?
Yes, when I open the door, I feel calm.
That's beautiful.
It feels like this is my place.
I like that.
What about you?
I like my window.
Your window?
Yes, I can see the city.
Oh,
At night, the lights are beautiful.
that sounds nice.
It makes me feel less alone.
I understand that.
Homes are more than walls.
Yes, they're feelings.
Memories, too.
Oh, yes, memories.
Do you have a favorite memory at home? Think about it.
I remember my family visiting.
That sounds special.
We sat together and talked for hours.
That's a good memory.
Yes, very good.
My favorite memory is my first night in my apartment.
Really?
Yes,
Why?
I felt proud.
Aw,
I felt this is my place.
that's a big moment.
Yeah, I smiled a lot that night.
I love that.
So, for people learning English,
Yes?
talking about your home is simple.
You can start with small sentences.
I live in an apartment.
Or, I live in a house.
It is big.
Or, it is small.
I like my home.
It feels comfortable.
You don't need hard words.
Simple English is perfect.
Just speak slowly.
And speak from your heart.
Homes are personal.
Everyone has a story.
That's true.
Even a small home can be full of love.
Very true.
So don't be shy.
Talk about your home
Practice English with real life topics.
and enjoy it.
Yes, enjoy it.
Any last thoughts, Ella?
Home is not about size.
It's about feeling,
Feeling safe.
feeling calm.
Feeling yourself.
I love that.
Me too.
Thanks for talking with me today.
Thank you, Sam.
And thank you for listening.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye bye.